wherever and whenever you are watching this right now. Welcome back to BAP Podcast with me, Mr. Rizky, your host for today's special episode. Wait. Come here, come closer. Yes, exactly. Alright, now that we are close enough, ladies and gentlemen, after having the girly duo from our previous episode, today's the studio feels more masculine and highly energetic because today we're going to have the ultimate duo coming from our current batch. Yes, batch 42. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, now please give a round of a big applause for our handsome guest star. Please welcome Alfred X Umam. Hello boys.
Hello, Mister.
Welcome to the studio. Welcome to the podcast. How are you guys doing today?
I'm great, sir. I'm really excited today because this is a fun opportunity to share about me.
What about you? How are you doing today? What's up?
This is actually my first podcast, sir. So I'm a little nervous, sir. But I'm really happy to join, sir.
Alright then, I love that answer. Boys, before we start our conversation, could you please introduce yourself? What is your name and which class are you from? Starts from you. Come on, what is your name and which class are you from? Introduce yourself.
My name is Alfreda Malindo Syawal Ferdiansyah. I'm from Lumajang and I'm Qatar class.
Alfred from Qatar class. What about you? What is your name and which class are you from?
Hello, guys. My name is Khairul Umam Abidin, and you can call me Umam. And I'm from Qatar class.
Umam, Alfred, Umam, coming from Qatar class. Welcome to the studio, welcome to the podcast. Boys, my first question is, as the two young men in the same batch, which is batch 42, how close do you guys in the real life? And if you could describe your partner in just 3 words, what would they be? I want Alfred comes first. Alfred, if you could describe Umam in only just 3 words, what would they be, Alfred?
Umam is funny.
Umam is funny, disciplined,
and friendly. He's the funniest boy in our class.
It's not a sarcasm, right? What about you, Umam?
From me, Alfred is so cool,
Alfred is cool,
funny,
Funny?
and green flag, sir.
green flag. So who should be called as the red flag? Am I? Alright then. Okay, boys. When guys hang out, the topics can be totally unpredictable. I really want to know, what do you two usually talk about when you're just chilling outside the classroom? I really want to know who wants to come first.
Me first.
Come on, Alfred first. Come on.
Usually we talk about sports,
Sports,
games,
daily
daily
activities,
and funny moments.
and funny moments. What kind of funny moments, Alfred?
I'm fully ready to apply. And sometimes we discuss about our assignment, but
Alright.
but most of the time it's just a random conversation, sir.
Random conversation. What about you, Umam? I really want to know, what do you two usually talk about when you're just chilling outside the classroom, Umam?
We often talk about sports,
Sports,
our hobbies,
hobby,
our plans for the weekend,
plan for the weekend.
and sometimes we just joke around, sir.
Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to talk with Umam first. Umam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Umam, I heard that you have been a sport enthusiast for a long time and you even won a volleyball competition back in junior high school. That's impressive. But my question is, Umam, do you still play regularly the volleyball, and how has the athlete championship helped you survive with the tight schedule here at Bina Api Persada Jember, Umam? I want to know, Umam.
I don't play as often anymore, sir.
Uh-huh.
But I still enjoy volleyball. Being an athlete taught me discipline,
Okay,
teamwork,
discipline, teamwork.
and staying calm under pressure, sir.
Teamwork, staying calm under pressure.
Which really helped with my
Uh-huh.
busy schedule at BAP, sir.
Well, for you, volleyball is all about discipline,
Teamwork,
and
staying calm under pressure.
staying calm under pressure. My next question is Umam. Umam, how do you apply those sportsmanship skills when you working on a group projects or daily tasks here at Binang Avia Persada Jember Umam?
I always try to communicate clearly,
Okay, communicate clearly.
support my classmates, and work together to achieve our goals, sir.
Alright then, Umam, I will give you a question again. If you could invite one most volleyball player, it is up to you, either local or international, to play a match with you. Who would it be and why, Umam?
I will choose my idol, sir,
Who is he?
namely Rifan Nurmulki.
Do you know?
Oh, I don't know, sir.
Who is
So funny, sir.
Rifan Nurmulki? Why do you choose him?
Because he is one of the best volleyball player in Indonesia, sir.
Okay.
I greatly admire
Huh?
his ability and dedication, sir.
His ability and also dedication. Alright then, I hope you can meet. What is his name? Sorry.
Rifan Nurmulki, sir.
Rifan?
Nurmulki.
Where is from?
Where?
He's from Indonesia.
Oh, alright then. I hope you can meet him one day, Umam. Next, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to Alfred. Hello, Alfred.
Hello, sir.
But before we jumping to Alfred, cheers first, please. Cheers. Okay, Alfred. Word on the street is that you are applied academic weapon. He ever won the 5th place in the LKTI Lomba Karya Tulis Ilmiah Competition, or in English is Scientific Writing Competition. Scientific writing competition at one of the university in East Java. That's huge, but I really want to know what your research was about and what was inspired you at that time,
Thank you, sir.
Alfred.
Thank you so much, sir. My research was about traditional of Galungan Kuningan celebration in Bali.
Traditional?
Celebration in Bali.
And then?
And then I was inspired by the idea that Indonesia has so many unique cultures.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Then I want to help to introduce and preserve this beautiful tradition through my research, sir.
I see that. Alfred, for me, writing a scientific paper requires a lot of data, focus, and also sleepless night, because I've ever do that. What was the biggest challenge you ever faced during that competition, and how did you feel when they announced you made it to the top 5, Alfred? I wanna know.
The biggest challenge was when I get a paper and the information and preparing the presentation. There was the time I feel tired.
Yes, I agree.
And stressed,
Okay.
but I keep trying to do my best.
And how did you feel when they announced you made it to the top 5, Alfred?
I feel a little happy and disappointed, sir.
Why? You said you're disappointed.
Because I could have to contribute more to help my team to achieve an even better result.
Oh, I see. Ladies and gentlemen, we already have a sport championship and also an academic achiever in the room. Boys, look at me. My next question is, being a young man today comes with a lot of expectations about our future, about your future, and future. I want to know, how do you guys handle this pressure and stress maybe when things get overwhelming? Who wants to answer it first?
Me first, sir.
Come on, answer it, Umam.
When I feel overstressed, I take a short break, exercise, and talk to my parents. They give me manage stress and stay focused, sir.
What about you, Alfred? Did you agree with Umam's answer? And what about you? How do you handle pressure or stress when things get overwhelming?
I agree with Umam. When I stress, I usually playing badminton and running with my friend. It can be relaxing me.
Do your hobby.
Yes, sir.
Alright then. Alfred, Umam, Alfred. Boys,
Yes, sir.
right now you're going to prepare yourself for a professional career, for professional work. I want to know, how do you guys see yourself in the next 3 to 5 years? And what is your biggest career goal you really want to achieve? Who wants to come first? I guess Alfred comes first. Come on.
in 3 or 5 years later, I want to work in cruise ship, sir.
Oh, so cruise ship is your most one wishes industry you really want to achieve in the future.
That's right. That's right, sir.
Cruise ship. What about Umam? Umam, how do you see yourself in the next 3 to 5 years? And what is your biggest career goal you really want to achieve, Umam?
In the next 3 to 5 years, I see myself having a stable career, sir. Improving my skills, and gaining valuable experience, sir. My biggest career goal is to become successful, keep growing professionally, and make my parents proud of me, sir. That's all, sir.
Alright then, what a nice answer coming from Alfred and also Umam. Ladies and gentlemen, before we wrap things up, we still have one fun segment called Quick Fire Question! I will give you a choices and you must answer it only in 3 seconds. Just answer, there is no thinking, okay?
Right, sir.
Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Once again, are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Alright then, my first question is career first or relationship first? 3, 2, 1, answer it!
Career first.
I'm both, sir, because
Okay, why did you
I
choose
believe
both?
I can work together with my relationship.
Oh my god, that's great. What about you? Why do you choose career first rather than relationship first, Umam? Come on.
Career first, sir.
Why do you choose career first?
Because a stable career can provide a stronger foundation for a healthy relationship in the future, sir.
Alright then, what a nice answer. What a nice answer from the question. Next, my second question is early morning training or late night studying? 3, 2, 1, come on!
Early morning training, sir.
Early morning training, sir, because I feel more energetic in morning.
What about you? Why do you choose early morning training?
Because in the morning, my body and mind are fresh, sir. Making it easier to stay focused during training, sir.
Alright, I agree. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, what a nice and amazing conversation coming from Alfred and also Umam. Umam, thank you so much. Alfred, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For coming to the podcast and also to the studio. And for every one of you watching this right now, thank you so much for turning into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe! I am Mr. Rizky, your host, signing off. Stay motivated, stay professional. See you in the next BAP podcast. Comment if you guys have any kinds of idea who should be in the next guest stars. Thank you, and 3, 2, 1, bye-bye. 3, 2, 1, bye-bye! Thank you, and bye-bye!